830 Richard Street, Unit 2, is an upstairs unit in this 2-flat with an entrance on the back side of the building. As you enter into the building, you have carpeted entryway going up to your unit. We're at the top of the stairs. It opens up into a really nice big open space area. You can see the top of the stairs right there on your right hand side. You'll come up and there's your big room there. You have a closet right there. TV jacks in the middle, in the corner of that room right there. This is a great spot here to put a couch and a love seat. Your entertainment center. The best part about this unit is it's wide open all the way back to the kitchen. So you can place a table right there. And if you're entertaining, when you're in the kitchen, you're still part of the group. This unit comes furnished with a refrigerator and an oven, plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinets. This unit does also have central air conditioning and heat. Off the kitchen here and up the stairs, you'll find the full bathroom. A nice tile floor, big vanity, and full tub shower. We'll back up here so you can get a good look of the entire area. So there's the stairs coming up into the unit. And I'm standing where a good kitchen table could go. Good place for that. And then a nice big open area here. Lots of windows, lots of natural light. And then if you go up the stairs here and turn right, you go into the 2 bedrooms. We'll go into the front bedroom first. Front bedroom does have a ceiling fan and a light. One nice big window for lots of light. And a large closet. There also is a cable line in here, so you can have a TV in here. You just have to have it hooked up from the cable company. Going out from this bedroom, right across to the next, you'll see a nice big walk-in closet as soon as you walk into this room. And again with a nice big window for lots of light. And cable TV ready also. All you have to do is have them come hook it up for you on outside of the building. Stand back here in this part of the bedroom so you can see a little bit better. It's hard to tell how big this bedroom is, but it's a nice sized bedroom. And back out to the main large common area. Try to get some pictures from different angles here.